Noise cancellation on the AirPods is amazing, but there comes a time when you'll want to quickly turn noise cancellation on or off. The fastest way is to do it from the stem of your AirPods. Grab the part of the stem that has this little touchpad and press and hold. You'll hear a little chime indicating that the listening mode has changed. This works both on AirPods Pro and the AirPods 4 models that have active noise cancellation. Another quick way to do this is through the control center on your phone. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, and then tap and hold the volume slider when your AirPods are connected. You'll have controls on the bottom to switch between listening modes and change other settings like conversation awareness and spatial audio. If you go to your settings while connected to your AirPods, you can do the same thing and a little more. You can, for example, choose which listening modes are cycled through when pressing and holding the stem. If I only want to use transparency and noise cancellation, I can disable the adaptive mode from here. And of course, you can configure pretty much all the gestures and settings through here as well. And that's how you turn noise cancellation on and off. Leave a comment if you have any questions and check out my AirPods playlist for more quick and easy guides like this.